And action. Action.
Oh, sorry. Husa. Hello. I'm here with Chantel. Hello. Chantel is here with me. Hello. Who is here with you? You know what? The good thing is that we are here. So, our director told us to tell you that we didn't release this week because we were sick. But the truth is, if I say the truth, we'll get fired. So Chantel, for the sake of our jobs, the Taurus was in capital letters, for the sake of our jobs, how are you feeling?
I am feeling threatened.
Me too. I feel threatened as well. For the sake of our jobs, would you like to say anything nice to our viewers?
I don't want to say something nice. I want to tell the truth.
We'll get fired.
Anyway, guys, I hope you're doing fine. We are very sorry for the delay and we are very sorry we couldn't release this week because personally I wasn't feeling well and Baba Tanya also, he wasn't feeling well. But we are hoping to release something nice very soon and we hope you guys, you won't be disappointed.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the truth. So officially we are fired. Because she chose to tell the truth. The truth always gets you in trouble, eh? Anyways, so that is it from me and her and me. That is it from we. From. Please don't forget to share, comment, Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and
subscribe.
And that. Thank you so much. And cut. Oh, sorry, Mr. Director. Thank you. Chafanane.